Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to the exam style question series. Today we're looking at expanding and factorizing. I hope you watch both videos, revision videos in the playlist, for one for expanding and one for factorizing. I broke them up just because they were too chunky and I thought this is better to do it this way. So yeah, let's just get straight into these questions. Don't want to waste too much time. Let's just get straight into it. So we're looking at to expand 7 brackets 2h minus 3. So we do first times this one, and then we times these two numbers. 7 times by 2h gives us 14h. 7 times by minus 3 gives us minus 21. Okay, so now we're going to expand and simplify in part B. So we do this 4 times by g and 4 times by 5. So we get 4g plus 20. Then looking at the second one, we get 3 times by g and 3 times by minus 2. So we have our plus 3g minus our 6. Then, to simplify this, we look at numbers and letters separately. So we can see that this is g and this is g. So we get our 4g plus our 3g gives us 7g. Then looking at numbers, we have 20 and minus 6. 20 minus 6 gives us 14. 7g plus 14. Okay, to factorize this fully, we take out the highest common factor between 30a squared and 40ab. So first looking at the numbers, we can take out a factor of 10. Then we see that a is common in both, but obviously this one's a squared, this one's a, so we can just only take out an a. Then to get from 10a to 30a squared, we can times by 3 to get to 30a. This gives us 30a, but we also need to put in another a to get to 30a squared, as a times a is a squared. Then we're going to add, to get from 10 to 40, we need to times by 4. Then this gives us 40a, but we need to get to 40ab, so we put in a b here. So 10a, 3a plus 4b. Okay, now they're going to build on our knowledge of expansion and use it in an equation. So we first times the number outside by the first term in the bracket, then by the second term in the bracket. So we get 3g plus 3 times 9 is 27, which is equal to 21. Then this is an equation like we've practiced before. We need to minus 27 from both sides to get the numbers on the same side and the letters on the same side. So we're moving this 27 from this side to this side, and we get our 3g. 21 minus 27 gives us our minus 6, and then we divide both sides by 3 because we want it in terms of g. So g is equal to negative 2. As you can see, 27 minus 27 gets rid of the 27 on this side, and then yeah, that kind of just falls into place. Factorize this fully. Again, we take out the highest common factor between the 15a squared b plus 15ab squared. We can take out 5 for the numbers. Then we see a and b are both common, but obviously this one's a squared, this one's a, this one's b, and this one's b squared, so we can only take out ab. Okay, to get from 5ab to 5a squared b, we need to times by a. So we turn that a into a squared. Due to our rules of indices, I'll just write it out again. So a times by a, when the bases are the same, so a is just a to the power of 1. When the base is the same and we're timesing together, we can add the powers. So this becomes a squared, as you can see here. So 5ab times by a will give us 5a squared b. So plus, to get from 5ab to 15ab squared, we need to times by 3b. Hope you can see that. So 15a, that's fine, perfect. 6c minus 8 is equal to 42. First times the first term by 6, and then the second term, so 6c minus our 48 is equal to our 42. This is another equation like we've done before. So plus 48 on this side, plus 48 on this side. We get 6c. 42 plus 48 is 80, no, it's 90. So c is equal to 90 divided by 6, which is 15, I believe. C is equal to 15. Okay, looking at the last question in this. So we take out the highest common factor of these two. So first we look at the numbers. The highest common factor that we can take out from both of these is 6. So 6, a squared and a, we can only take out a there. B and b, so we take out b there. C and c squared, so we can take out a factor of c there. To get from 6abc to 18a squared bc, we need first to get from 6 to 18, we need to times by 3. Then to get from a to a squared, we need a there, but b and c are fine. Then add 5 to get from 6 to 30. A is fine, b is fine. C, we need to get from c to c squared, so we need to put in a c here, and that is fully factorized. Then, expanding and simplifying this, we first times by the first term in the bracket, then the second term, so we have our 8y minus our 28, then same for this one, so minus 15y, then minus 3 times by minus 3 is add 9. Then we collect like terms, y and y can simplify down, so 8y minus 15y gives us our minus 7y. Then minus 28 plus 9 will give us minus 19, and that is fully done. And as I said, that's the last question in the exam style series for this particular topic. I hope